Good day everyone, I am Zarty, speaking to your English teacher for this day. Welcome to my English class. Today, we will learn something new or we will learn something that is different. And guess what it is? That is phoneme isolation. But before we go on to our proper discussion, let us define what is phoneme isolation. Phoneme isolation or sound isolation is the ability to identify where a sound appears in a word or to identify what sound appears in a given position in the word. This is a very important step in the development of literacy as well as general language development. Children who have mastered this level of phonemic awareness can accurately answer the question like, does the P sound come at the beginning, middle, or end sound of the word tap? The purpose of this video or activity is to help develop to students phonemic awareness, which is part of the phonological awareness. Identify specific phonemes in words. Example, first, middle, and last sound, and take place orally without the written word. Phoneme isolation step 1. Show students how to do all the steps in a task before asking children to do the task. Let us continue. I have here two sets of picture, a man and a bat. So let us identify first the first picture, a man. Man is made of or consists of three sounds, the the and the n. Man begins, remember, man begins with the first sound and the second sound is while the third sound is So it's your turn. Can you identify or can you pronounce what is the first sound of man? Correct. How about the second sound? Correct. How about the third sound? Definitely. Sound isolation step 2. Use consistent and brief wording. A while ago, I already said that the word man is consists of three sounds: the 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 n. The first sound is The second sound is The third sound is So, students, can you repeat after me? Very good. Will you please give me an example of a word that you know that begins with the same sound as man? Excellent. Mountain. Mask. Mat. Sound isolation step 3. Correct errors by telling the answer and asking students to repeat the correct answer. Again, students, be careful on how we pronounce a word. Okay? Again, this is the word man, and man begins with the sounds Second sound is and the third sound is Very good. Now let us go back to the second picture. Bat. Can you guess how many sounds does the word bat? Yes, you're correct. Just like the word man, bat has 3 sounds. Let us identify. The first sound is ba, the second sound is a, and the third sound is t. Okay, answer me. can you identify what is the second sound of the word bat? Correct. How about the ending sound or the last sound? Correct. And lastly, how about the first sound? Absolutely. Basically, phonemic awareness skills include learning how to break apart and combine the sounds in a word. Phonemic awareness should begin in a primary level with a focus on the simpler phonemic awareness skills of isolation and identifying beginning and ending of sounds. And there you have it, class. This will be the end of our video. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned a lot.